Welcome to AlphaCars. Today we're going to check out 2017 BMW X6 5.0. This is the xDrive with outstanding set of options, and the vehicle condition is top-notch with only 23,000 miles. We're going to start from walking around the vehicle. You can find all the details about this vehicle on our website. We have an incredibly thorough listing on alphacars.com, AlphaCars.com, or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000. You'll find details about the condition of tires, brakes, status of service, warranty, and a detailed set of high-definition photos. We're going to do a cold start of the engine in just a moment. Look at this beauty. Look at this gorgeous BMW. Incredibly clean condition inside and outside. Open the hood and oops. It's hard to do it with one hand, but I got it. Twin turbo V8, legendary BMW performance. Absolutely cold engine. The vehicle has been sitting here for a few days, I would say. So let's get it started. Power up the gauges. Ignition switch on. Oh, wow. What a sound. What a sound. Nice sound from the engine itself. Let's give it a couple of gentle revs. We don't want to go too crazy on a cold engine. It's like new in the back, pretty much. Yeah, the car was sold to one of our local customers. We did not have an X6 at the time when he was looking for one, so he bought this from a BMW dealer, and it certainly turned out to be a great quality car. All the paint is original. We have paint meter readings on our website in the listing. You can see all those details, and yeah, the condition of this car is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Seat bolsters. Actually, no wear. Let's check out on the other side. Nice. Look at all these seat adjustments. It's really, really cool. And heated steering wheel is a handy feature. Nice sunroof. Check that out. As the engine warms up, it's nice and quiet. Has all kinds of cameras that are stuffed around the vehicle. You can see it right here in the front and in the back, and obviously on the other side. I'm actually going to pull it out in a little bit more open area so we can have a better look at it. And it drives beautiful. Take my word for it. This thing is so awesome. Pedal shift. Parking. All we need to do is just press that. Check the gorgeous body lines of the X6. And BMW did a great job with this body style. A low mileage G63 on the background, another nice full-size German SUV that we have here today. So if you're up for a 7-passenger high-performance vehicle, we have one for you to consider. And absolutely very nice X6. So please visit alphacars.com, click on BMW under inventory, see what we have. If we still have this X6 available, it's a great value with only 23,000 miles and over $11,000 in factory options on top of the xDrive 5.0 trim level. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel and click those videos that you like. Let us know. Thanks again.